Live from BC Children's Hospital, it's the 26th Annual Miracle Weekend.
Well done.
Oh, very well done. Wow,
Man,
what a crowd.
I know.
That's amazing.
I feel like Clooney and Aniston. I'll be Aniston, you be Clooney.
Okay, thanks.
Well, welcome to you. We're live from BC Children's Hospital for the 26th Annual Miracle Weekend. We're here all evening long, all day tomorrow at the hospital, which serves the families of the entire province.
And we'll show you stories about the amazing kids who've been to this hospital and the caregivers who help them. And we'll also show you how your donations are used to fund the equipment and the research that save kids' lives.
Christy, we have lots of groups. It's the check lineup is very long, and we have a lot of great people helping Children's Hospital. This is Carl Fox with the BC Ferries Refit facilities. Carl, tell us a bit about your group and what they've done for BC Children's.
Well, luckily this year, as the last few years, we've had the opportunity to put together a bit of a luncheon where all our employees come together, they donate money, we do some raffles, things of that nature, and we've been able to pull together a decent check this year to donate to Children's.
Okay, well, let's see what they got from BC for BC Children's from BC Ferries, and the total is $10,349.01. Great job. Thanks so much. Good job, BC Ferries.
Angels are smiling, lifted by love, awed by the children, exploring their world of pure innocence, pure love. Mothers and fathers whisper their prayers, take joy in knowing that everyone shares their faith and hope, their faith and hope, their love. Miracles happen with love, and with help from the angel in all of us. Miracles happen, oh yes they do. Here's hoping someday one happens for you, and peace comes to you from above. Miracles happen with love. Maybe strangers before, but not any longer. Bound by a caring for those who were younger. That's wonderful. That's love. Like joining together, husbands and wives, kids and caregivers, they celebrate life. That's beautiful. That's love. That's beautiful. That's love. Little ones laughing, lost in their play. Through grateful eyes, you can hear them say, thank you all. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you. Miracles happen.
Confetti extravaganza. Thank you to everybody in British Columbia for giving. We could not have done this without your help, each and every one of you. Thank you so much for making this a true miracle weekend.